I'm Napasa, bringing you the latest updates on immigration policies, enforcement actions, and global migration trends. Let's take a look at today's top stories. Ukrainians in Canada face uncertainty as emergency visa deadline nears. As the third anniversary of Russia's invasion approaches, Ukrainians in Canada under the Canada-Ukraine Authorization of Emergency Travel (CUAET) program face an uncertain future. While Immigration Minister Mark Miller assured that no one will be forced to return to a war zone, the temporary visa program ends on 31st of March, requiring Ukrainians to apply for open work or study permit extensions. Many are rushing to secure their status, but concerns remain about long-term residency. Some have successfully transitioned to permanent residency, while others worry about financial barriers and future immigration policies. PGWP expiring. Why applying for a visitor visa in Canada is a risky move? As Canada tightens its immigration policies, many international students with expiring post-graduation work permits, PGWP, are returning to visitor visas as a temporary solution. However, immigration experts strongly advise against this approach, warning of high refusal rates, deportation risks, and future complications with visa applications. With a visitor visa, individuals cannot work in Canada and are typically allowed to stay for only 6 months. The Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) system makes it easy to track applicants with expired or soon to expire work permits, increasing the likelihood of rejection. Instead, experts recommend safer alternatives, such as securing an LMIA-backed job offer or enrolling in further studies to maintain legal status. Strengthening one's immigration profile through in-demand skills and work experience is also advised for long-term residency prospects.